Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix App Store cannot connect. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing the issue that you cannot connect to your App Store, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So it might be a network issue, so you have to refresh your network. Now go back from here and you have to make sure that you're connected to a cellular or Wi-Fi network, and you have to also try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. Then go back and open your settings app here. You have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. Open general section and then go for your VPN device management, and you have to disconnect with the VPN if you're connected. Then go back, open software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update. And after doing that, if you're still facing the same issue, so you can try to make a forced restart your iPhone. To do that, you have to quickly press release your volume up and then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. Once the phone has been restarted, it will almost fix your issue. Or if you are still facing the same issue, so you have to unlock your phone, then go for settings, go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode here, and then select reset network setting from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings, including your Wi-Fi, cellular, hotspot, your Bluetooth, and also including your AirDrops. It will not lead to data, so you can easily try this, and after that your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.